Welcome, my friends and family. That was bad, redo. Welcome, everybody. Oh God, here we go again. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I welcome you. We do these videos once a month. This is Katie's favorite things for the month of August. My favorite month because it's my birthday month and it's just the best month in the year. Okay, so topping off the list for my #1 favorite thing this month, it takes it again, you guys, the Booty Bible. Can we just have a silent dab for the Booty Bible? Oh, the Booty Bible, you guys! The Booty Bible has just been kicking everybody's butt, and it's just been so amazing to watch all of your progress and hear all of your great feedback. It just fills me with purpose and happiness and joy to know that I can be involved in your fitness journey and give you a positive result. Everybody who's doing the Bible, I am just so proud of you, and I love watching you guys, so keep at it. You guys are doing amazing. Weston and I are still doing it. I know I haven't shared an update in a while, so I'll record one soon. Things are going great. My booty looks way perkier than it did when I started, and his booty is like redonkulous. It is so big. It's grown so much. I'm like, wow, you're a weirdo. Like, how did that happen? Like, whoa, it's crazy. I will definitely exploit him and show his butt to you guys sometime soon. So Booty Bible, #1 favorite thing, hands down. You can get the Booty Bible if you want to. It's not too late, of course. You can always start it whenever. It's on my website, katiecorio.com/shop. But make sure you're signed up for my newsletter because every so often I do give out discount codes for the Booty Bible. So maybe I will send another one out soon. Hint, hint, go sign up to my newsletter. So #2 favorite thing this month is this amazing protein bar from 1UP Nutrition. They just came out with their own protein bars. 1UP bar. This is my favorite flavor. It's the chocolate marshmallow. You guys, it's like a Rice Krispie treat. I'm gonna just open it and show you. It's so light and fluffy and amazing, and I'm like, it really is like a Rice Krispie treat. Look at this. Oh, can you say amazing? The info on this bar, it's 240 calories, the marshmallow one, 7 grams of fat, 30 carbs, and 20 protein. So it's a great little meal replacement or in between meals snack, and it tastes like dessert. I'm not kidding you. So that's my favorite flavor, the chocolate marshmallow. They also have the chocolate peanut butter, second favorite. Hello, peanut butter, everything, yes. Really, really good. And then they have, for the non-chocolate lovers, fruit ones. This one's blueberry, and they also have strawberry cream, which is right here. So stoked on these bars. If you are looking for a good little bar, it honestly blows a lot of the other ones out of the water, in my humble opinion. They always come out with the best flavors and tastes of everything. I'm just always like continuously impressed with their products. And I know firsthand like what they go through with the testing of everything, and the quality of their products is top of the notch. Like, it is the best of the best. And so I just love standing behind this company because I believe in them so much and I love their products so much. Brings me to my next, #3, my third favorite thing for this month. Again, I think this was on last month too, but Sport Amino by 1UP. As you guys know, I play beach volleyball like 4 times a week, so I always take this with me. It's perfect for games like sports because it has electrolytes, BCAAs without the carbs, a little bit of energy. It's like the perfect thing to drink during a workout, during a cardio session, during sports game or something active outside. Think about this. It's like Gatorade minus the carbs and sugar plus a little bit of energy. That's basically the best way to describe it. I've been drinking the Island Fusion flavor. They also have Summer Sunrise. Both are amazing. Fourth favorite thing this month is my poetry books. These are my 2 favorite poetry books. One is called Salt, and the other is called Love Her Wild. And he's coming out with a new one soon. I'm really excited about it. But I just like having these by my bedside before I go to sleep. I just open to a page and read a poem, and it's just really, I like poetry, so I just love it. Let's see if I can read you one of my favorites. Ooh, this one's good for you lovers out there. In all the wild world, there is no more desperate creature than a human being on the verge of losing love. Okay, so there you go. Poetry books. those will be available on my Amazon influencer list if you want to grab them, which is, everything's going to be linked below. The fifth favorite thing, I think we're on number 5 for this month, I just got a few days ago, and it's this beautiful planner. I picked this up at Target. I kind of lost sight of how much organization can de-stress your life, and I saw this planner, I'm like, click, of course, a planner, why don't I own one? I'm buying this right away. It's my first week of using it, but I'm just really loving it, and so I thought I'd share that, kind of remind you guys that organization is such a stress reliever, so you'll do yourself a lot of justice, a lot of help if you just kind of organize your life, just writing things down on paper so your mind isn't so cluttered of thoughts and to-do lists and things like that. So highly recommend buying a planner and organizing your life, because y'all know you're so busy, I know. Okay, sixth favorite thing for this month is this amazing water bottle that I found on Amazon. It's half a gallon. And so, you know what, I drink like 1 gallon to 1.5 gallons of water a day. This makes it so much easier to keep track. I just drink 3 of these and I'm done. So that's that. Seventh favorite thing, we have kind of a long list today. Seventh favorite thing is spaghetti squash. I don't have one to show you, but I had it last night for dinner, and I was like, this would be great for your August favorites because it is just so good. You bake it in the oven, you cut it in half, you take out the little stringies inside, you drizzle some olive oil, salt and pepper, that's all you need. Put it face down in the oven or a toaster oven for about 45 minutes is perfect on 425 degrees. You can do a lot of things with it. 2 ways that I like to prepare it are with marinara sauce and ground turkey, fresh basil, and a little Parmesan. Amazing. Or you can do kind of like a Mexican take on it and make little enchilada boats. So you cook your ground turkey in taco seasoning, dump it in there nice and juicy, and then top it with like shredded lettuce, tomatoes, cheese, onions, and and salsa. It's like a little enchilada boat. That's what I like to call it. So those are 2 recipes for you guys to try this summer for spaghetti squash. It's super low cal. A whole half of one is probably like 15 grams of carbs, and it's a great way to feel like you're eating like pasta but not actually doing it. It's guilt-free for sure. All right, you guys, that about wraps up my top favorite things for August, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. Why can't I talk today? I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know your feedback, comment anything you want to below, and I read all the comments. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.